In this video, I'll show you how to stabilize video in CapCut. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. When it comes to stabilizing a video in CapCut, it's basically knowing the keyframe you want in that video. So if you look at this video has a very keyframe that you can use. Like you can use this video for, let's say, like for YouTube videos. Like it has a 16.9 portrait size of a video. So but there's still TikTok size, Instagram size, Facebook size. So if you click on this overlay now, okay, let me say I'll come on here, click on edit. I think should be here. From here, okay, yeah, so click on crop. So you can see different video stable size. So there's a 9.16, 16.9, the current one we are using, 1.1, 4.3, 2.1, 5.8. So you can be able to come on and select the one that is best fit for you. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.